have a killer cramp, ow, in the bottom of my foot. Spinning in circles isn't going to help. It might. Alright, I was looking at my corrections on these paragraphs. Kitch, please, it's 9:12 at night. I know the time. You don't have to get mad at me. A lot of pressure trying to figure out if it's or it is. Let me see. I wasn't sure how to use it's or it is. Well, it's not it is. It's theirs, so it's a possessive. They're very possessive. They're extremely possessive. They're possessive, Mom. Also, would the comma go inside sing you sinners or outside? Inside. Remember we looked that up? Oh yeah, I remember that 9-minute video on commas and parentheses. There is a lovely title here. Feudin', fussin', and a fightin'. And there is a single quote and a double quote within a quote. That's how this is going down right now. Are you still sad you lost your show? I am, and all you kids are going to recreate everything that we said and did. But it was like a really long show. Well, that's just what we're going to have to do. I'm teasing. Well, you shouldn't tease, but I'll do it. You know I'll do it. What am I hearing? Oh, it's coming through my headphones. Shouldn't you have them on if you're working? That would make sense. I don't make sense hardly ever, and I really don't make sense at this time of night. Honey, you've seen that paragraph 10,000 times. Let's move on. Okay, I guess I can. Can I just check these words too and pretend that they're good and all that stuff? There's only a few more words. Let's just do them now. Yeah, let's just do them now. I don't have to go to bed and get up at 7 and be ready by 8 to greet someone at the door with puppies. With puppies? I want to get this place cleaned up before the puppies get here. There are a lot of puppies here already. So this play date with Mums, I'm going to want to call her Mumsy. 'Twas brillig and the slithy toes did gyre and gimble in the wave. Oh, Mumsy, where the barber goes and the moon wraths out great. Okay, I didn't read anything that I was supposed to be reading. That's for it has been rotten. You know what it has been rotten is this whole process. Okay, those words are good. This is good. We only have a few more words. Let's just do them. Let's just power through. Power through. That's what they say in those exercise videos that you do. Okay, I can't even, tear out a page. Kitch, why are you throwing away a perfectly good page, notebook page there? Because it has ink all over it, see? See? Ow! Alright, this is getting thrown out. Husky was wondering what we're doing, I guess. We could just... Yeah, we should burn that page. I could swallow it. No. What? I ate paper in a bathroom once because I was hungry. No one else has done that? Are you sure? We have 4 more frames of words. Wait, were those quotations? Right? There are no quotations. I'm just seeing quotation marks in front of my face now. My hope for the future. Someday I'm going to learn punctuation. I don't want to become president. I don't want to open my own deli. I don't want to become a painter. I just want to learn punctuation. That's it. What are you doing now? Why aren't you looking at your work? Because we have this new voice recorder that looks like a mini-tapey from the 1970s, like a 1970s drama. I am recording my memoirs right now. Do you mind? I mind. What are you doing now? I'm exporting my thing. That'll only take 9 years. 9.5. Let's be honest. I appreciate honesty. And it will be 9.5 years. Plus, I have to finish my other project. I need to take a nap before I go to bed. Mini-tapey. I have got a mini-tapey. No one ever could escape me from my little mini-tapey. Wahahaha. That's gonna be my new, Tim Burton-esque song for this Halloween. I'm gonna scare you with what I record. Now, that's mutual. We have to share it. We bought it for both our shows. For the Kitch at Home show, airing once a month, I'm plugging my show and your show. I can't help it. I just feel official with this thing. It's like a little remote control in my control. Did anyone cover the moosh? Mom, did you cover the mush? Oh, I didn't. No, I forgot. Hang on, let me plug this in for your sister. Hey, Star. Why won't it go in? Here, I have your thing ready to go. Where's the end of it? There's the end of it. Mom, it won't go in. Honey, you're gonna have to be a little bit more self-sufficient, know how your own charger cord goes. Mom, are you gonna cover the mush? Yes, give me a minute. Or you could go cover it and help me out. I would give anything just to have time to, do my toenails or anything. Your dreams are very small. I don't like noises of any kind. How many more rooms do we have to clean? 4. 4? Alright, the mush is covered. All in the fridge. Oh, the tart's in the way. That's what I like to hear. Tart's in the way. Alright, Mom, let's go. You gotta remember everything that we did. I'm not going outside again, though. Oh, geez, let me think. Let me think. Too slow. We went up to the attic. So, why don't you explain to the listeners here, Mom, of your show, what happened? My recorder broke. Good story. So we went up to the attic and we tried to get the school box out, and Brownie and I were shopping for school stuff that day. So we got the school box out. Please quit scratching your calf. This is why you have scabs up and down. I'm sure that was in the show somewhere too. And then we tried to get the box out, and we got our old school stuff out, and we saw what we needed. And then what happened? We didn't have what we needed. Spoiler alert. We walked up to the dollar store, and the Rite Aid, and they had no school supplies. No, but we got red sparkle pencils, and Brownie got a pink pencil box. And on our way home, there was a gigantic UPMC, it was a mail truck, opposed to a girl truck. Ha! Ha ha. And the guy was talking about how, I have to work like 9 hours a day, but it's good money, but like taxes take it out anyway, so like what's the difference? And then he drove off. And the package was not for me. I had a dream last night that my t-shirt came in. But that is today, not yesterday. Yesterday when I saw that truck, I thought my t-shirts arrived, but it hadn't. It was just a complaining mailman, and then he left. And then we came inside. Mom asked us to get the umbrellas and wrap them up, because I think we brought them with us. No, they were hanging outside. None of this is interesting. Well, if it wasn't interesting now, it wouldn't have made a good show. So, and then we listened to Be Our Guest in the bedroom on my new tablet after the old one broke. Brownie wanted to for some reason. Be our guest, be our guest. And then, and we sorted through our school stuff. And after that, I don't know, I guess that's all we did. So yeah, now Mom's MP3 player is in the Hall of Fame, upstairs on our desk in the attic. Well, I don't want to throw it out. I recorded like every show ever on that thing, and so did you. Yeah, we need to frame that thing. That white MP3 player needs framed because we recorded everything on there. Now we have a mini tapey, which runs on batteries, which is kind of cool because then we can take it out in the field. We can take it out. I don't know what field music that is. Out in the field, outside. We could go all the way to the beach and back and just keep changing batteries. We're unplugged here. We don't need anybody's anything. Well, we need batteries. That's true. And I have a new tablet that's telling me, like, that it's Google's stopped and this is stopped. And I'm like, good, start up with me. See what happens, start up. Go ahead. And now the computer's crashing. Also, Kitch, you're completely monopolizing the recorder here. Is Kitch narrating again? Yes, I am. I'm narrating everybody's everything. What else? Oh yeah, so the computer's crashing, and we can't figure it out, and we spent days on that. Our TV needs turned on and off 2 times, the hose snapped and broke, and there was a geyser in the backyard, and then our blender, went pop, 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 and it died. What else is broken around here, folks? Anybody? They're already sick of you in that recorder. Okay, well I'm gonna listen to the Call Me Madam commentary, because that was an important part of my job. This TV up here's still working. Except yesterday when I put it on Spanish. That was really funny. It happened. Sheldon on The Big Bang Theory is talking, but it doesn't sound like him. And I'm like, Full-length audio commentary by musical film scholar Miles Kruger. I'm hoping I am pronouncing that wrong. It's probably Kruger. That makes me think of Cougar, and it makes me laugh. Alright, let's go here, commentary. We've had enough commentary. Resume film? I haven't started. Okay, we just need the parts with Donald, so let me see about this. Kids, it's up to 80. Well, the movie was made in like the 50s, so it needs to be turned up to 100. Oh no, there's subtitles?
Hello, this is Miles Kruger speaking.
It was Kruger.
To be your tour guide from Washington,
Got
D.C. to the Grand Duchy of Lichtenberg as we spend the next 114 minutes.
Whoa.
in Irving, Berlin.
Okay, wait. First of all, he is the most rehearsed commentary person I've ever heard. He's reading from a script.
Call me Madam. As the images gallop across the screen, we'll be discussing not only the featured performers in the movie.
I don't like how he narrates because he's like way too rehearsed. Not only the... We are not rehearsed people around here. Ow! Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, you just like hit my hand with the drawer. You can't hit someone's hand with the drawer. Or any drawer. I did not hit your hand. Yeah, you did. What are you fighting about, girls? First of all, how dare you think it was only the girls? Okay, it was. Second of all, I didn't do it. That is the weakest argument I have ever heard in my life. Thank you. I do what I can. Are you okay, though? I'm alright, but you hit my hand in the drawer. There you go. I hit you. Wait, I didn't hit your hand. I slammed your hand in the drawer, and I just gave myself away there. Okay, fellas, stop.
A little light bulb lit up, and he called to her to ask if she...
Oh, this guy's narration. It's so like, a little light bulb lit up. Blah, blah, blah. That's gonna be school this year. That's the school year I'm gonna be like, writing papers, just blah, blah, blah. But I will have red sparkle pencils, so that's what matters. Okay, there's Donald again. Please talk about him. Actually, I don't know that I want him to talk about him because that voice is...
Notice how the new press attaché just walks right into the private press conference as if he already belongs.
What does that mean? Because he's American or something? Kitch, could you move over a quarter of an inch? Which way, I wonder? Just, honey, I don't want to hit you. I'm trying to move your rock collection. Oh, and you don't want it to end up on my toe. Here's the guy who played Shere Khan in the Jungle Book. I saw the guy who played Baloo in another Donald movie, so I don't know what's happening. Okay, Lichtenberg doesn't exist, so I don't know why the narrator's hung up on the fact that, like, he wouldn't have offered his credentials. She wouldn't have offered her credentials at a ball. No ambassador would do that. Hello, this is made up. It's a musical. Durr.
Is that another Irving Berlin tune wafting through the store? It is indeed. A hit from a show.
Oh gosh, I don't know how much more of this I can take. Are we gonna mention Donald here, or what? They're only talking about Kenneth. They aren't talking about Donald. Done by two. There's that pink and blue again. Why am I obsessed with pink and blue right now? Okay, there we go. That's gotta be about... Excuse me. Where are you trying to get to? Exactly where you are. Oh. Whoa. I'm trying to do stuff here. Well, what am I doing? Chopping onions? I wish moles looked like that now. There's like a pretzel stand and a lot of like broken down shops with stuffed animals left over and like maybe a piercing pagoda. Nope, that was about the conductor. Thank you. You finally mentioned Donald. Thank you. And it was right when he wasn't even on screen. That's what this is like.